Hello friends, welcome back. Welcome to Hospital and Clinical Pharmacy. Myself Miss Malvi Rajendra Bhavsar, KK Institute of Pharmacy, Nashik. So, welcome to this new session of Non-Sterile Manufacturing Part 2. In Part 1, we studied about space requirement and equipments required for preparation of non-sterile formulation. Then, after watching this video, student will be able to learn manufacturing process for tablet, manufacturing process for suppositories, and concept of non-sterile manufacturing. So first we'll see about bulk concentrate. Many solutions and semi-solid which can be used as pharmaceutical aid after dilution are compounded in bulk as concentrate. The compounding process, storage in container, and labeling is all out in bulk compounding laboratories. Then this laboratory should be maintained well, keep it clean and in orderly manner. It should meet all the requirements for pharmaceutical operations. The laboratory should have adequate space for installation of equipment. The material should be stocked in orderly manner. This will minimize the chance of cross contamination. The bulk compounding laboratory should be designed to have a proper humidity control and supply of filtered air. There should be properly maintained animal house. Adequate facilities should be provided like washing and cleaning, locker, toilet, etc. for the workers. Then procedure for bulk compounding. Generally, the liquid, oral and semi-solid are bulk compounded. Okay. So the liquid oral bulk compounded generally include syrups, hydroalcoholic products, suspension and emulsion. General procedure for production of syrup involves first step is dissolution of all water soluble ingredients except sucrose, then addition of sucrose followed by sorbitol. Parabens may be added from paraben concentrate. Flavoring agent is added. Then you have to make up the volume, cool down, and filter the solution. Then, for hydroalcoholic solution, the procedure involves the following steps. First step is to dissolve all the alcohol soluble ingredients in alcoholic solvent. Second step, water should water soluble ingredients should be dissolved in water. Then with continuous agitation, in third step, you have to add aqueous solution to alcoholic solution with continue mixing or agitation. Then commercial production of emulsions. First of all, we should know what is emulsion. Emulsion emulsion is a heterogeneous mixture, biphasic mixture of two phases. One of them is oil phase and other is aqueous phase, which is mixed or which is homogenized by the addition of emulsifying agent. So in commercial production, the equipment has to carry out two functions. First, we need to break the dispersible phase in the form of globules, which is to be disperse them throughout the system. And the emulsifying machine can be broadly put into the following four classes: mixture, mixers, colloid mills, homogenizer, and ultrasonic emulsifier. Okay, so first is mixer. You can see the diagram or a figure of mixer. So these are the moving beaters to smash the globules. They are continuously moving and it will smash or break the globules of this possible phase and they will reduce the size. Okay, it will reduce the size progressively. Then homogenizer. Okay, this figure or diagram is of homogenizer. These work continuously. In this mill, large globules of the dispersible phase of a coarse emulsion are broken up into the smaller globules by passage through a narrow aperture fitted with valve. The emulsion is fed under a high pressure. It is forced against the floating valve, which is adjusted to open to predetermined gap. Okay. Then the coarse emulsion is forced through the central opening in lower part, then the outward through the gap. The outlet is just above the point. The next is emulsifier, used for suspension and emulsification, complete with 3 HP or 5 HP motor and channel stand with the wheels and steering head, etc. The special arrangement for mechanical lifting is there and it is lowering down. Then we have stirrer. This diagram is of stirrer. Suitable capacity of dissolving and mixing of syrup, suspension and emulsion. Capacity is about 200 liter to 1000 liter. Colloidal mills. These are working continuously in colloidal mills. Also, a coarse emulsion is reduced to fine globule size by passage between two closely applied surfaces. In other words, the principle is the same as that of homogenizer. Here, coarse emulsion is not fed under pressure. Performed coarse emulsion is fed into the mill and globules are broken up by shearing action in passage between the rotor, and speed is about 1000 to 20,000 rpm and stator. This is inlet, we have serrated rotors, we have stator, and this is outlet for the emulsion. Then ultrasonic emulsifier. In this equipment, a powerful stream of a liquid is forced through the jet. It impinges on the blade, thus vibrating. It deflects the streaming liquid to either side alternatively. As a result, oscillation above the sonic range are produced in the liquid. Emulsification takes place near the edge of blade where the wave intensity is greatest. Circulation is continued till emulsification is satisfactory. Then we have ointment mill. The mechanical incorporation of ingredient with the base can be achieved by the use of mortar and pestle, ointment slab, or by using ointment mill. It is used for the substance in a fine state of a subdivision. Ointment mills are particularly suitable for large scale and medium scale manufacturing. Ointment are passed through the mills to ensure uniformity and smoothness. The medicaments are sifted, they are added to the softened melted base in change can mixture. The stirring is done till congealed. It is then run through the ointment mill. This is the figure or diagram. This is diagram of ointment mill. This is hopper through which the base is passed. This is triple roller ointment. It is a faster and most commonly used. A cross section of this mill is shown in that figure. Arrows indicate the direction of rotation of the roller. These three rollers state the different speed. The speed increases from left to right, hence due to shearing action, smooth ointment is obtained. The roller on the extreme right with the highest speed takes the ointment of a slower moving roller and scraper collects it. There is a provision for cooling the roller, water jacketing them to prevent under rise of temperature due to friction. This mill can sterilize by wiping with 5% of aqueous phenol solution and by irradiation with ultraviolet light before using. Here we studied different types of equipment used for the preparation of emulsion and ointment. Next part of sterile formulation will be continued in part 3. Thank you for listening. See you in part 3. Thank you.